The land is all that there is. Every leaf that falls from every tree, every breath that each of us breathes. Tansei Brenda Nitasiagas and Sundri Ochi Niakiate. I'm Brenda Holder. I'm a Cree knowledge keeper. I'm living just north of Sundri, Alberta on 161 acres, and this is where I run my company, Mahikan Trails. There is nothing more equalizing than taking people out for a walk in the forest, and I can share with them that all of the ingredients to make bread are found in the forest behind us. Let's go and look at where we would find yeast. Let's take a look at where we'd find salt. All of a sudden, the interest in the land changes, and it creates a much greater amount of respect. That starts to stimulate more confidence in them, and they start to recognize that they belong on that landscape. In the summer, we offer medicine walks on a daily basis. It's absolutely fun. And you get a lot of foundational skills. You get to learn to go and pick medicine and then make great things with it. In the winter, we also do medicine walks. Most people don't realize that there's great medicine out there in the winter. We also do night sky programs. You walk to a beautifully lit, warm cabin, and you get to see the night sky while you eat an amazing meal. This is Canada's Alberta. Come walk with us.